Everyone, this is day 73 of coronavirus quarantine. Probably 4.5 million cases worldwide. And it is Memorial Day. Okay. Let's see, there's still grass clippings. Wow. What the heck's over there? Oh, I guess it appears somebody got out of Frisbee. I just stay inside as much as I possibly can with the pandemic and all. Well, there's the rock. It's supposed to rain these next 4 days anyway, so yeah. Yeah, I just, And then there's lots of people not social distancing. Michigan's already on lockdown, so they ain't doing crap. Yeah. Michigan's already on lockdown again, so yeah. I'm gonna take a trip to the barn over here. If my father isn't in here, I will show you around. But it appears to be locked, so I ain't gonna go in. Anyway, I'm just gonna go. Not in there. Not in there. Absolutely not. It's hot. Not as hot as past couple days. Yep. We're already starting the air condition bucket again. Yeah, our air conditioners, well, that one at least, tends to drip. So yeah, we have to have a bucket for the water to, collect. So many people. So many people. Bruh, Yeah, let's see. These are empty paint cans. Ew. I look up this, make it look gross. Okay. Oh, shut up. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, more people. Why are there so many people down around? I know it's Memorial Day, but we are in the middle of a freaking pandemic. They already locked up Michigan again. It's gonna be more states if people don't socially distance and stuff like that. I'm just gonna stand on this rock because I don't think I've ever done that in a video before. Yeah. Somebody left their Mountain Dew can or bottle in our yard. Trash. I tell ya, trash. Let's see what happened back there. Because I'm sure something happened out back too. Let's see. Well, there's some birds flying. I actually don't want to go back here too much, but it appears to be nothing. So, yeah. Let's go back out front. Heat's starting to rise, but that's why I usually film at about 11 a.m. because that's before it gets really hot. Somebody closed the door and the windows because they're about to turn on the air conditioning, but I am filming. Yeah, it is starting to get hot. Yeah, I usually peaks at about 4 p.m. 80, 90, 100 degrees, I'm out here before it gets quite that hot. Oh, I am breaking a sweat. Look at that brick. Just lying there. Just simply lying there. Anyway. Oh, there's tons of helicopters flying. Ugh. Ew. I think that's a Culver straw. Yeah. It's gonna be dripping again. Because the air conditioning is currently on. Yeah, this is where the hot air goes. On the outside, I'm about to go on the inside because I usually don't film inside because, you know, I don't have any room to do so. And some people in my family are extremely camera shy, so yeah. Anyway, look at this. My driveway is filled with helicopters. They're gonna peak just now because it's the beginning of summer, and you know, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go back out here, see if it started dripping, and if it hasn't, it will. I'm very, very sure of that. Well, it's cool over here. I'm out of the sun. There's a slight breeze just now. There's some birds over there, but I'm not gonna try to get them on camera. In fact, I am just gonna probably drift even closer to this household. 1, the coronavirus. 2, it's where the air conditioning goes. And bruh, if we have to stay at our house, we are definitely gonna have some air conditioning. You know? What kind of weirdo does not have AC in the summertime? In fact, it can be quite deadly if you are an old man or a young child that is not in an air-conditioned room during the summertime. So, yeah, or somebody with underlying health conditions. So, yeah. We have coronavirus to worry about and heat stroke. So, yeah. And then later on, we'll have to deal with coronavirus and the regular flu. You know? Just, there's all these other problems that are going on during this pandemic, which is already pretty bad. You know? Oh, why did they flip the cans? They flipped one of the cans down. I don't know, I think that's just how Garbage Truck does their thing. I just got caught in a spider web. Okay. Yeah, these plants are they're getting sunshine. They are also scorching. They're gonna get plenty of rain, because I think later it's supposed to rain. Well, you guys will get plenty of rain. You're all getting a lot of that sunshine. In fact, more often now, I can barely see the camera because of the sunshine and stuff like that. Yeah, somebody is turning the air conditioner up. Yesterday was pretty scorching. Today it's supposed to rain though, so I don't know about that part of it. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Bye.